everyone. You're welcome to my complete Spanish course. In today's lecture, we are going to learn counting, or we can say numbers in Spanish. How to pronounce number in Spanish we learn in this video or in this lecture. So numbers in Spanish. Numbers in Spanish. Numbers. Números. Números. Números en español. Números means numbers. En means in. Español means Spanish. Números en español means numbers in Spanish. So friends, this is a chart. Here we will learn numbers from 0 to 10. So this is a number 0 to 10, 0 to 10. This is the pronunciation of this number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how this number is pronounced in Spanish. This is the column represent the Spanish number, and this is the pronounce of this Spanish number. Like 0, in English we say 0, but in Spanish we say cero. Cero means 0, uno means 1, dos means 2. Okay, so in this way we will learn Spanish number. So what you have to do, you have to repeat after me, so it will more comfortable for you. Cero, cero, cero. Cero means 0. Uno, uno, uno. Uno means 1. Dos, dos, dos. Tres, tres, tres. Cuatro, cuatro, cuatro. Cinco, cinco, cinco. Seis, seis, seis. Siete, siete, siete. Ocho, ocho, ocho. Nueve, nueve, nueve. 10, 10, 10. So friends, this is the number from 0 to 10. Now we go forward. In this chart, you will see the number from 10 to 20, 11 to 20, number 11 to 20. So in this table, we learn the number 11 to 20. What you have to do, you have to just repeat after me, so you will be more clarity or more understanding on the numbers. Once, once, once means 11. Once, once. So this is the pronounce once. Doce, doce, doce means 12. Trece, trece, trece. Catorce, catorce, catorce. Quince, quince. Here U is silent because we have already learned if U is comes under between the Q and I, then U will be always silent. So the pronouns of this one will be quince. Quince means 15. Dieciséis, dieciséis, dieciséis means 16. Diecisiete, 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 dieciocho, dieciocho, diecinueve, diecinueve means 19. Now veinte, veinte, veinte means 20. Veinte means 20. Okay, so till here we have learned 0 to 20, but for 21, what you have to do, you have to remove this e, from the veinte and put the I put the I. Like Be-inti. Be-inti. Be-inte means 20, but for 21 you need to remove the E and add the I. Be-inti. So now it become Be-inti. Now you have to add uno for 1, dos for 2, tres for 3. So now for 21 you will say Be-inti uno. Be-inti uno. 22 Be-inti dos. Be-inti dos. Be-inti dos. 23 Be-inti tres. Be-inti tres. Be-inti cuatro. Be-inti cuatro. Be-inti cinco. Be-inti cinco. Be-inti seis. Be-inti seis. Be-inti siete. Be-inti siete. Be-inti ocho. Be-inti ocho. Be-inti 29 means 29. Now for 30, 30 30 30 means 30. Now from 30 onward you need not to change this a or the last word. How will you make the Spanish number after the 30? You just write 30. 30 means 30. E. Why? Y is pronounced as E, means and uno means 31. 30 y uno means 31. 30 means 30. Y dos means 32. 30 y tres means 33. 30 y cuatro means 34. 30 y cinco 35. 30 y seis 36. 30 y siete 37. 38 38. 39 39. 40 40 means 40. Now this rules forward till counting 100. Till 100 now we have to follow the same rule. Which rule? The last number in the table, like a 40 is called the 40. So for the 41 you have to add e, then uno dos tres, like 40 y uno. 40 y uno means 41. 40 y dos means 42. 40 y tres 43. 40 y cuatro 44. 40 y cinco 45. 40 y seis 46. 40 y siete 47. 40 y ocho 48. 40 y nueve 49. 50 means 50. Okay, 50 means 50. Now for 51, just a simple rule. 50 y uno means 51. 50 y dos 52. 50 y tres 53. 50 y cuatro 54. 50 y cinco 55. 50 y seis 56. 50 y siete 57. 50 y ocho 58. 59 59. 60 means 60. 60 means 60. Now for the 61, 61 61. 62 62. 63 63. 64 64. 65 65. 66 66. 67 67. 68 68. 69 69. 70 70 means 70. 70. Now for the 71, 61, 71, 62, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80. 80 means 80. 80. Now for the 81. 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90. 90 means 90. 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99. And for 100 we say CN. CN means 100. CN means 100. So friends, this is the number from 0 to 100 in Spanish. I hope you understand how to sound the Spanish number from 0 to 100. In the next video, we learn number from 101 to any number. 101 to any number means how we say 1000, how we say 500, how we say 1 million, how we say billion in Spanish. That we will learn in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Watch my next video to learning forward in numbers. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.